Will robots replace human copywriters? AI has already replaced people in so many industries like agricultural and automotive industries. But will they replace us in more creative industries like marketing and advertising? And will I soon be out of a job? Hi, I'm Jesse Forrest and welcome to Ask the Copywriter. In today's video, I'm going to be answering the alarming question, will robots replace human copywriters? Many copywriters don't seem too concerned about robots taking their jobs. After all, copywriting requires thinking and creativity, which are things that robots have not yet evolved to do. Or have they? Recently, the Chinese company Alibaba revealed its AI-powered copywriting tool, which can generate up to 20,000 lines of copy per second and is already being used by major brands to write their product descriptions. The AI copywriter uses deep learning and natural language processing technologies gleaned from millions of examples on the Alibaba website. Brands and advertisers can insert a link from any product page and click the Produce Smart Copy button to immediately see dozens of copy ideas. And Persuado, the American marketing company, has said that their AI-generated content has outperformed a human copywriter time and time again. The platform works with more than 1 billion words, sentences, and images that have the highest click-through rate recorded after over 1 billion impressions. So, will AI replace human copywriters? Will I soon be out of a job? Well, I don't think so, and here's why. Copywriting is so much more than just structuring sentences and data. A skilled copywriter is someone that takes the time to understand their audience on a deep emotional level and then uses creativity and empathy to relate to their audience through words. And I don't believe that even with all of their sophistication and deep learning, I don't think that robots are at the stage yet where they can think, use creativity and also empathy in the words that they write. Even Persuado's marketing director, Julia Sapano, said herself, "We're never going to replace a creative agency that creates something like the Nike slogan, just do it." So if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, and share it with other people. And if you would like to work with a team of real human writers to help you with your website content, blog, or marketing copy, then definitely reach out to us. Get in touch today over at copywritingcrew.com.